What's up mga kapamilya, mga megs? Welcome back to my YouTube channel wherein meron tayong mga food vlogs, travel vlogs, lessons about vlogging, mga pagkakakitaan online, tapos meron tayong mga movies review tulad nito. So if you like those content, please consider subscribing. This time we'll be reviewing another movie from Netflix. It's called Eurovision. I saw the movie, and if you like comedy, I think you'll love it. Si Will Ferrel, saka syempre si crush na si Rachel McAdams ay nagkaisa. Kasama na si Pierce Brosnan and a lot of movie actors and actresses. And ang movie ay set sa Iceland. So, Eurovision is a song contest. Okay? This is a story of two magkababata na pupunta and magiging contestants ng Eurovision Song Contest. Ito yung storya nila kung paano nila try na i-challenge ang kanilang selves sa lahat ng mga trials hanggang papunta na sila na mag-perform sa stage. So, I think performers will relate to this. And of course, if you like the goofy comedy of Will Ferrell, then this is a movie for you. And if you like rom-com, and it's kind of rom-com because I think the girl loves the boy in this movie. Makikita nyo ang maraming mga lessons about family, about friendship, about never giving up, about dreams in your life, and about how to be yourself. I think this movie is best for singers, performers alike. Merong mga parts sa movie na nakakaiyak, makaka-reflect ka sa sarili mo. There are also parts that made me cry, really. This is a good teen movie, pero meron tayong mga hindi para sa underage, no? So, be aware of that if you want to watch this movie. Eurovision is a good feel movie, has a good storyline, and parang ang flow niya ay sa una nakakatuwa hanggang nagiging serious, hanggang may climax, tapos in the end, no, may realize nyo ang mga cute na mga wonderful things na ma-appreciate mo. My rating would be an 8, just because it wasn't really very bongga. Opinion ko lang yon, no? Feel ko na meron pang mas bubongga. I think it deserves a part 2 or another sequel, I think. But I truly recommend this to all of you watching. So if you want to watch, it is available on Netflix. Just type Eurovision. Pero kung wala pa kayong Netflix, sa akin na kayong mag-avail, watch this. If hindi pa kayo na nakapa-Netflix ngayon, if you want a solo account, tapos 3 months access to Netflix Premium, you can have it for 1,100. Pero kung subscribers kita, may discount ka sa akin. Gusto nyo, 1,000 na lang para sa mga subscribers ko. Kung gusto nyo naman for 6 months, yun din for users or devices, 2,100. Kung subscribers kita, 100 peso discount na yan. Gusto nyo 1 year, 4,100. And kung subscribers ka, 4,000 na lang yan. So kung gusto mo naman na 3 months ka pero isang user ka lang kasi cellphone lang gamit mo, or gusto mo TV lang kasi dyan sa sala nyo, pwede kang mag-avail niya ng 300 pesos sa akin. Tapos 1 movie download per day lang. Gusto nyo 6 months, 600 lang. So, kung gusto mo ng 1 year, 1,200 lamang ang isang device. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Avail na kayo dyan. Please email me sa email dyan sa baba or sa number na nandyan. You can message me on Master Poki Facebook Alright, thank you so much. That's it for our vlog, our movie review for Eurovision. Please watch it, and don't forget to comment down below if you watch it already. Don't forget to share this video, to give it a thumbs up because it will help me. Syempre, don't forget to subscribe. Until next movie review, this is Master Popey, and bye-bye!